Sardar of Mawryngkneng village, Peter Lawai, today expressed concern over the delay in completion of the Pamlahare Greater Water Supply Scheme. Speaking to reporters, Lawai said that the project was sanctioned in 2023 at a cost of more than rupees 48 crores and has failed to meet the February 2024 deadline. While the treatment plant was completed, work on the main supply pipe is yet to start. The Dorbar Shnong of Mawryngkneng has requested the PHE minister and officials to start and complete the work as soon as possible by the month of July 2024.
Around the amount sanctioned is around 48 crores above, and the work they have started since 2023. I'm sad to say that now we have come here that this project now has been stopped because this treatment plan has been completed, but as per the order that they have given from the PHE department, they fixed the time that this project should be completed by the end of February 2024. But till now, we have seen some of the main water supply pipe, that some of the contractors, they have not started the work till now.